Okay, so my name is Jessica Hodges, and for this video we are going to look at the anatomy of the sheep brain. So let's begin. So I have dissected the sheep brain, and I'll allow you to look at it since I have dissected the tissue around the brain. Here is the sheep brain, as you can see, and I dissected it. I am watching the video and using my notes. So here is the spinal cord. Mine detached from the brain. This is the front of the brain, and this is the back of the brain. This is the frontal lobe. These are the parietal lobes, the temporal lobe, and the occipital lobe. So the gyrus is located here. The sulcus is located here. The longitudinal fissure is here. So the cerebrum is here. So looking at the sheep brain, you can find the central sulcus about here, in this little area. The lateral is here. The lateral sulcus. So turning the brain over, if you would just give me a moment. Trying to do this one-handed a little bit so I can video. As you can see, I had to dissect and some of it came out of the bottom. So the optic nerve would be here, which, let's see. Here's the optic nerve. The optic nerve 2. And the optic tract is here. As you can see, my spinal cord and everything came out. So the trochlear nerve 4, I believe, is what you wanted us to do, is right about here. Right in here. I have 2 pieces. Here or here. So the cerebellum on the sheep brain, sorry, I'm trying to roll it back over. Cerebellum is here. This piece right here. That's so gross. So for this one, I had to open the brain a little bit more. The corpus callosum is located here on the left hemisphere, and on the right hemisphere here. And I'm sorry for my voice change because I'm holding my breath. Is here. So the hypothalamus is located here. And the thalamus is located here. The pineal gland is located here. The olfactory bulb is located here. So the fornix is located here. It's right above the thalamus, and it's right in here. The midbrain is located down in here at the bottom, which is missing because some of mine, right here's the midbrain. The pons is located right next to the midbrain, and the medulla oblongata is next to the pons, and then it's the spinal cord, which would be here. It would be back here. So the olfactory tracts would be right about in here. As you can see, I cut my brain up a lot, so the oculomotor 2 nerve is located in here. It would be right here if the skin were back on. Okay, it's right in here. So that's pretty much it for the sheep brain. Named everything, and I'm sorry I'm talking so quiet, but my daughter is asleep. But that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I try my best to be professional and very quiet because my little girl is asleep. Here is the sheep brain, and here's my checklist.